Hi friends, for our art center today we are going to paint an apple tree using a real apple as our stamper. The first thing I'm going to do is write my name at the bottom of my paper. Remember, the first thing we do is always the same, and this time we're going to look at the bottom and write our name. Now, I have my plate of paint. I have brown, red, green, and yellow, and then I have my apple to use as a stamper. So I'm going to get a little bit of brown paint first. And I'm going to paint the trunk of my tree. So I'm going to just go down and paint a trunk. I'm going to dip and get a little more, and I'm going to do some branches. All right, so now I have my trunk and my branches painted. Now, I'm going to put some paint on my apple. I'm going to use a little red paint. And the cool thing about this, friends, is that we're going to blend our colors together. So I'm going to put some red paint and do some red apples. Okay, then I'm going to put some green paint on it, and it's okay that our colors are blending. Put some green paint and do some green. So again, I'm using this as a stamp, stamping my apples on there. Okay. Now, if you want to wash off your apple in between, you sure can. Now I'm going to get some yellow paint, but it's okay for the colors to blend too. That's what makes it look cool. I'm going to stamp a couple of yellow apples. And there we have it, our apple tree. All right, friends, I will see you all soon.